Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a regular bike bell can be practically invisible to drivers in busy traffic? That's why today we're diving into the top best e-bike horns for safety that you can snag on Amazon. Because nothing beats the peace of mind of being heard loud and clear while riding. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. From ultra-loud alarms to multifunctional horn-like combos, we've got a lineup that will completely upgrade your riding safety. Let's get started. On number 6, the Electric Bike Bell 125 decibels anti-theft alarm is a compact powerhouse aimed at commuters and students who want both audible warnings and a touch of security. Hitting 125 decibels, it's plenty loud for alerting pedestrians and cyclists, though it might struggle a bit against roaring traffic compared to a 140 decibel unit. What sets it apart is the built-in motion-sensing anti-theft alarm, transforming a simple horn into a mini security system. A great feature if you leave your bike in public spots. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, waterproof, and simple to mount, making it convenient and versatile. On the downside, it only has a single sound mode, and the anti-theft alarm needs to be manually armed, which adds a step that some might find cumbersome. When compared to the 140 decibel bicycle horn with lights at number 5, this 125 decibel option trades peak volume and integrated lighting for anti-theft functionality and a smaller, lighter design. Essentially, if you want something compact that doubles as a theft deterrent without worrying about a headlight or taillight, this is a solid pick. But for riders prioritizing sheer loudness and night visibility, the 140 decibel combo might be more compelling. So, what do you think about prioritizing security over maximum volume? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the 140 decibel bicycle horn with front and rear lights is an all-in-one safety powerhouse, merging a piercing 140 decibel horn with a wide beam LED headlight and rear light into one robust USB rechargeable unit. Its IPX6 water resistance rating ensures peak performance even in heavy rain, making it ideal for serious commuters and night riders. The horn slices through urban noise like a hot knife through butter, making distracted drivers and pedestrians instantly aware of your presence. Compared to the number 6 125 decibel anti-theft horn, it sacrifices the anti-theft feature but delivers unmatched volume and integrated lighting, consolidating essential safety gear without cluttering your handlebars. The remote switch allows quick horn activation without removing hands from the grips, which is crucial for fast reaction scenarios. Downsides include a higher price point and slightly more handlebar real estate consumed, but the added visibility and volume justify the investment for anyone who rides regularly in busy streets. Compared to other options like the Antfire 120 decibel horn, this unit brings superior audibility and nighttime safety through the lights, making it the clear choice if your primary focus is both visibility and commanding attention. For commuters and e-bike riders navigating bustling streets, this horn-like combo is essentially a mobile safety command center. On number 4, the Antfire electric bike horn 120 decibels offers a balanced mix of loudness, convenience, and all-weather reliability, especially for urban commuters and mountain bikers. With a 120 decibel horn, USB rechargeability, and IP65 waterproof rating, it's built to last through rain, mud, and daily wear. What makes it stand out is the integrated anti-theft alarm, which you won't find in every horn, adding a valuable layer of protection when leaving your bike unattended. Unlike the number 3 130 decibels 3-volt battery horn, the Antfire sacrifices a touch of peak volume but gains superior durability, USB recharging convenience, and a practical dual-mode sound feature. Its ergonomic design makes installation straightforward, and the horn reliably captures attention in most urban environments. While it won't blast through heavy truck noise like the 140 decibel number 5 option, It hits a sweet spot for all-weather commuters who need dependable performance every day. Compared to the number 6 125 decibel anti-theft horn, it's slightly quieter, but more weather-resistant and ergonomically advanced. For riders seeking a long-term, eco-friendly, and versatile horn that works rain or shine, the Antfire electric bike horn is a highly recommended choice. On number 3, the electric bike horn 130 decibels is designed for riders who want an extremely loud alert without breaking the bank. This 3-volt battery-powered horn delivers a robust 130 decibel output, enough to cut through medium urban traffic, making it louder than the Antfire 120 decibel unit, but lacking USB recharge and IP65 waterproofing. It's simple, lightweight, and easy to install across various handlebar sizes, making it perfect for commuters, kids, and e-bike riders who value maximum sound over extra features. Unlike the number 5 140 decibel horn and light, it doesn't offer integrated lighting, which means you'll need separate visibility solutions. Its main advantage lies in volume-to-cost ratio, providing a high decibel presence at an affordable price. If your priority is being heard, not multifunctionality, this horn hits the mark. However, for wet weather commuters, the lack of high IP protection and reliance on disposable batteries may be drawbacks. Compared to the number 4 Antfire horn, you gain 10 decibels but lose convenience, eco-friendliness, and durability. For riders who want a straightforward, loud horn to announce themselves in traffic, the 130 decibel unit is an excellent choice. The ZIREN 120 to 140 decibel high-traffic bike horn and LED light is the ultimate tool for urban cycling safety, designed to cut through chaotic city noise with extreme volume while offering visibility through its integrated LED light, ranging from 120 decibels to a piercing 140 decibels. It's one of the loudest horns available, perfect for high-traffic roads where standard bells are ignored. Its rechargeable battery eliminates constant disposable replacements, and the IPX4 waterproof design ensures reliable performance in rain or spray. The ergonomic, handlebar-mounted control switch allows quick activation without removing a hand from the grip, a major advantage over manual-only systems like the number 6 125 decibel horn. Compared to the number 5 140 decibel horn and light, the ZIREN focuses more on maximum acoustic authority for high-traffic survival, while the 140 decibel combo offers more consolidated night riding features. The ZIREN shines in scenarios where visibility, loudness, and rapid activation can literally make the difference between getting noticed or being ignored in dense traffic. If you frequently ride busy city streets or commute on e-bikes at high speed, this horn is an absolute must-have, offering peace of mind that other horns in lower decibel ranges or without ergonomic controls simply can't match. So guys, that wraps up our deep dive into the best e-bike horns for safety. Each horn has its strengths, from extreme volume to multifunctional convenience to anti-theft security. So choosing the right one depends on your riding style, environment, and priorities. All the links are in the description, so check them out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Which horn would you pick for your ride? Let me know down below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts.